Chapter 1, Crop Production and Management. In the last video, we studied about some basic agricultural practices like preparation of soil and sowing of seeds. We also studied what is crop transplantation and its advantages. Now let us continue with basic agricultural practices performed by a farmer after sowing of seeds. So next is manuring. Manuring is the process of adding manure to the soil. When crops are grown continuously in the same field, the soil becomes deficient in some nutrients. सॉइल में बार बार क्रॉप्स उगाने से या सेम टाइप के क्रॉप्स उगाने से सॉइल में प्रेजेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स कम हो जाते हैं और इस वजह से फसल कम होगी. दिस reduces the crop yield. So in order to overcome this problem, farmer adds manures and fertilizers to the soil. मैन्योर का मतलब होता है खाद. Manure is an organic substance which is obtained from the decomposition of plant and animal waste. प्लांट और एनिमल वेस्ट बैक्टीरिया की मदद से डीकम्पोज होकर मैन्योर बनता है. मैन्योर आर एडेड टू द सॉइल बिफोर or after sowing the seeds. Now let us see the advantages of adding manure. Number 1, because manure is made up of natural substances like plant and animal waste, it is rich in humus. Number 2, it improves soil texture. मैन्योर यूज करने से सॉइल का टेक्सचर अच्छा होता है. नंबर 3, इट इंक्रीजेस इट्स वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी. सॉइल की पानी अब्सॉर्ब करने की कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाएगी. नंबर 4, मैन्योर मेक्स द सॉइल पोरस बाय इंक्रीजिंग द गैप्स इन द सॉइल फॉर एयर टू पास. सॉइल में गैप्स बढ़ जाएंगे जिससे प्लांट्स आसानी से रिस्पायर कर सकते हैं. नंबर 5, as manure is made up of natural substances like dead plants and animals, it increases the soil friendly microorganisms like rhizobium bacteria, which helps plant get nitrogen from the surrounding. मैन्योर में प्रेजेंट बैक्टीरिया प्लांट को नाइट्रोजन लेने में मदद करता है. Now there are different types of manure. For example, farmyard manure, green manure, and compost manure. Farmyard manure is prepared by decomposition of farmyard waste like dung, straw, leaves, etc. In order to prepare farmyard manure, the farmer needs to make a pit of 6 meter long and 2 meter wide and 1 meter deep. Then the farm waste like cow dung, urine, and waste like straw are used to prepare a bedding. This method is repeated daily until the pit is full and the bedding is 0.5 meters above the ground level. Then it is covered by cow dung and dry leaves. The manure will be ready to use after 4 to 5 months. So this is how a farmer can prepare farmyard manure from available waste like leaves, straw, cow dung, and animal urine. Next is green manure. Green manure is prepared by the decomposition of green plants which are plowed along with the soil. Leguminous crops are grown for a short period of time and then the farmer plows the leguminous crops along with the soil. Useful bacteria like rhizobium live in the roots of leguminous crops, which helps increase the fertility of the soil. So in order to increase the nutritive value of the soil, the leguminous crops are grown and then plowed along with the soil before growing any other cereal crop. This is a natural way of replenishing nutrients in the soil. The next is compost manure. The method used to prepare compost manure is similar to farmyard manure, but the materials used to prepare compost manure are different. Kitchen waste like food items, waste material, weeds that are useless plants, animal waste like cow dung and urine etc. are used to prepare compost manure with the help of bacteria and fungi in the soil. The method to prepare compost manure is similar to farmyard manure. Other than manures, farmer also uses fertilizers. So let us see what are fertilizers. Fertilizers are made up of chemicals that are manufactured in factories. They provide necessary nutrients like phosphorus, potassium, etc. to the crops. Some examples of fertilizers are urea, which provides nitrogen to the crops. Then there is calcium ammonium nitrate, which supplies calcium and nitrogen to the crops, and diammonium phosphate, which supplies nitrogen and phosphorus. So these are some examples of fertilizers. Now let us do a small activity to understand the advantage of using chemical fertilizers over manure, which is made up of natural organic matter. Fertilizers and manures are added to the soil to increase the nutrient content of the soil for healthy growth of plants. So for this activity, first take 3 equal sizes of seedlings of gram seeds and sow them in 3 glasses containing soil in equal amounts. Label the glasses as A, B and C. Now add manure to glass A and urea, which is chemical fertilizer, to glass B. Leave the glass C as it is. Keep them at a place where they get efficient amount of sunlight. Then add equal amount of water to all the 3 glasses daily for 10 to 15 days. Note the height of each plant after 10 to 15 days. You will observe that the seedling in glass B shows maximum growth, while seedling in glass A shows average growth, and the seedling in glass C shows minimum growth. So this indicates that urea, that is chemical fertilizer, increases the growth rate in plants over manure. So the advantages of fertilizers are: number 1, they are easy to use, easy to transport, and can be stored easily. Number 2, they are water soluble, so dissolve fast in water and are easily absorbed by plants and are used by plants. Now let us see the difference between manure and fertilizer. Manure is a natural substance, while fertilizer is a chemical substance. मैन्योर नेचुरल ऑर्गेनिक मैटर में से बनता है और फर्टिलाइजर फैक्ट्रीज में केमिकल्स में से बनाए जाते हैं. नंबर 2, मैन्योर इज नॉट न्यूट्रिएंट स्पेसिफिक एंड सो इट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन लार्ज क्वांटिटीज. क्योंकि मैन्योर में प्रेजेंट कोई स्पेसिफिक न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं होते, दैट्स व्हाई मैन्योर इज रिक्वायर्ड इन लार्ज क्वांटिटीज. फर्टिलाइजर इज न्यूट्रिएंट स्पेसिफिक and so it is required in very small quantities. फर्टिलाइजर्स में स्पेसिफिक न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से फर्टिलाइजर्स कम यूज होते हैं. सो फर्टिलाइजर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज. नंबर 3, मैन्योर इज रिच इन ह्यूमस while fertilizer does not provide any humus to soil. Manure is not readily soluble in water and is slowly absorbed by plants. मैन्योर पानी में जल्दी घुलता नहीं है, इसलिए प्लांट्स उसे स्लोली धीरे धीरे अब्सॉर्ब करते हैं. वाइल फर्टिलाइजर इज सोल्यूबल इन वाटर एंड रेडीली अब्सॉर्ब बाय प्लांट्स. फर्टिलाइजर्स पानी में जल्दी घुल जाते हैं, इसलिए प्लांट्स उसे जल्दी अब्सॉर्ब कर लेते हैं. Next, number 5, compared to fertilizers, the growth rate of plant is slow by adding manures, while the growth rate of plants is fast by adding fertilizers. Number 5, manure increases fertility of the soil. सॉइल में मैन्योर डालने से सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी नेचुरली इंक्रीज होती है, बट द रेगुलर यूज ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर्स कैन रिड्यूस सॉइल फर्टिलिटी एंड कॉज सॉइल एंड वाटर पोल्यूशन. केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स रेगुलरली यूज करने से सॉइल की नेचुरल फर्टिलिटी कम हो जाती है एंड सॉइल एंड वाटर पोल्यूशन भी होता है. तो फर्टिलाइजर्स यूज करने के बहुत सारे एडवांटेजेस है, पर साथ ही साथ डिसएडवांटेजेस भी है. So, in order to prevent soil and water pollution due to excessive use of fertilizers, nutrients can be replenished naturally by practicing following methods. First is field farrow, leaving the land free for one or more seasons to regain nutrients. मतलब फील्ड को 1 या 2 सीजन्स तक फ्री रखा जाता है और उसमें कुछ उगाते नहीं हैं. Due to this, the nutrients will be replenished in the soil naturally. ऐसा करने से soil अपने nutrients naturally regain करेगी. Number 2 is crop rotation. Crop rotation is a practice of growing a series of different types of crops in the same area in sequential seasons. So there are different types of crops like cereals, pulses, vegetables, etc. All these different types of crops have different nutritional value. So the nutrients required by the crop also differ from one crop to another. Leguminous crops like pea, beans, lentils are grown in sequence with cereals and other crops. Leguminous crop is also used as green manure as it helps in regaining nutrients like nitrogen and organic matter in the soil. Third is mixed cropping. Sometimes 2 or more crops are grown together in the same field. This method is called multiple or mixed cropping. Different types of crops are grown in the same field. It helps in restoring soil fertility as the products and waste materials produced from one crop help in the growth of the other crop plant. For example, wheat and chickpea are grown together in mixed cropping where one row of wheat crop, which is a cereal crop, is followed by 1 or 2 rows of the other crop, and so on. So today we studied about the basic agricultural practice of manuring the soil to increase the fertility of soil by adding different types of manures like green manure, farmyard manure, and compost manure. We also studied about chemical fertilizers and advantages and disadvantages of